Hey family, I am here with Sister Stephanie at the Black Sustainability Summit 2023. We're here on sacred land at the Collard Green Collective. It is so much going on right now. And this beautiful queen wanted to tell you about the Pillar of Water workshop that she just heard. Tell us what you think, sis. How was it?
Well, thank you for letting me know this is sacred ground. I did not know that. So you learn something new when you explore, right? I just want to let you know Sheila is a beautiful speaker. She's very engaging. I love, the way that she just opened up herself and been vulnerable with her knowledge and passion for saving the Black community. That's basically what she's doing. So you may not understand totally what she's saying until she says it, right? And then she explains it, and I just felt so overwhelmed by your knowledge of letting us know how we can be strong as a community. So thank you for that. Thank you for your passion. Thank you for your love for your Black people, and we need more of it.
Thank you so much, sis. All right, family, you heard it here. You want to sign up for the Pillar of Water workshop? It's coming to a city near you. Bring me there. Peace and blessings.